Good morning, my mathematicians. Today what we are learning to do is we are learning to review previous math concepts while introducing some new ones because we are going to get ready to dive into a new topic. Today what I have for you are a few little anchor charts that I want to work through to be able to help you with your math assignment on Seesaw today. So I'm going to introduce some new math terms, so math vocabulary words. I'm going to run through them, and then I will explain what you are going to do. So here in our first anchor chart, we have three pictures of a three-dimensional shape called a cube. We have three new vocabulary words or terms. The first one is an edge. The edge of a shape is made out of a line. When two of the edges, that we see here, I'll use purple, there we go. We have two edges like this. This is called an angle. Okay. So we have an edge and we also have an angle. The next thing that we have is called a face. Okay, the face of the shape is usually one of the sides of it. Okay, so when two of the edges come together, okay, or more than one edge comes together to make a face. Here we have a vertex, and a vertex is when two angles come together at a point. Okay, so here we have a vertex. Now, there are more than one vertex, which is what we call a vertex. So we have more than one vertex, it's called a vertex. So this shape, the cube, has definitely many vertices. I'm just going to mark them for you. Okay, so those are some of your new vocabulary. The next one, we have two-dimensional shapes. Now, when you see all these black dots at the top, that's showing you how many sides and or vertices these shapes have. I'm going to quickly run through the shapes. We have a circle. Notice there are no vertices or sides. Okay, a circle is one of those unique shapes that doesn't have any. Same with an oval. A triangle has three sides, three vertices. A trapezoid has four sides, four vertices. Square, four sides, four vertices. Rectangle, four sides, four vertices. Parallelogram, four sides, four vertices. Pentagon, five sides, five vertices. Hexagon, six sides, six vertices. Heptagon, seven sides, seven vertices. Octagon, eight sides, eight vertices. Nonagon, nine sides, nine vertices. Decagon, 10 sides, 10 vertices. A rhombus, four sides, four vertices. And a dodecagon, 12 sides, 12 vertices. Wow. The next thing that we have are some three-dimensional shapes, and I just want to run through them really quickly just to give you a little refresher. You've probably seen some of these. We might be dealing with them in our new topic. The first one is a cone. The next one is a cube. The next one is a cylinder. The next one is a sphere. The next one is a pyramid. And this one is a rectangular prism. We can talk about their edges, their angles, their faces, and their vertices at another time. Now we talk about some shapes and how we can break them up. The first one way that we can break it up is in halves. Okay? Halves is when you break a shape into two equal parts. Okay, if one part is shaded, then one half of the shape would be shaded. The next one is thirds. Okay, when you break a shape up into three equal parts. Okay. Next one is fourths. When you break a shape up into four equal parts. Let's take this triangle down here for a second. Okay. Two out of the three equal parts are shaded, so you would have 2/3 of the shape shaded in. This one is in fourths. 3 out of the 4 equal parts are shaded, so we would say 3/4 of the shape is shaded. The next thing that you are going to do is use these anchor charts in my video to help you with these 6 questions. Make sure that you write an equation for the last one. You can use numbers or you can use words to explain. Okay, good luck and good job.